Hello students and welcome to the online classes of your school. This is Ekta ma'am and today I am again picking up a topic of class 11th, chapter number 2, the collection of data, the second part. In the previous lecture we have discussed that what is collection of data, how is data collected and what are the sources of data, which are the main two sources, which is the primary and the secondary sources. Further, we have also discussed what is a questionnaire and what are its characteristics. Now we move to the second part of the chapter, in which we will study about the modes of collection of data. The modes of collection of data is the methods by which the researcher collects data from the people. The first method is personal interview. In this, the researcher does a face-to-face contact with the participants and get his queries answered through the questionnaire. The second method is the mailing questionnaire. It is done through the online mode. In this, the researcher mails a questionnaire to the selected participants and get the answers online. The third one is the telephone interview. In this, they call or they use a telephonic media to get the answers of their queries by the public. Now we move forward to the next topic, which is the pilot surveys. Pilot surveys are also known as the pre-testing surveys. In this, a researcher, when he forms a questionnaire, get it pre-tested so that he could avoid the shortcomings and the drawbacks of the questionnaire. Now we move forward to the last topic of the chapter, which is the most important topic of this chapter, the census and the sample method of collecting data. In census method, the complete enumeration is done by a researcher, means every element of the population is investigated by the researcher. For example, in a room of 100 people, the investigator will investigate about all the 100 people present there. In the sample method, certain groups are maintained in which they put certain people with same characteristics, and then the sample is taken from those groups. For example, in a class of 60 students, the differentiation is done on the basis of the gender of the students, which is group A of boys and group B of girls. For example, let us consider that there are 30 boys and there are 30 girls in this class. Now, the sample are taken from this group A, means only certain elements are investigated by the investigator of this group A of boys, and group B of girls, only certain elements are investigated, and then the investigation is done for the further studies by the investigator. Now, when we talk about census method, it is more time consuming and expensive for the researchers, and when we talk about sample method, it is a bit less time consuming and less expensive for the researcher. So the most preferred method of collecting data nowadays is the sample method for the researchers. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make the necessary notes and please like this video. Thank you.